Friends not good for you, girl. But I know I'm the hard way.
Well, who I know Paul is well. So I've been watching this Spice versus RT going back and forth for the past 2 or day and a half now. What whenever I really want just jump on it, really want to get at everything and just do one video. But what happened tonight is that RT was on him live and Nicholas LALL, who is Spice baby father, him calling and then the story went left. So this is what him have to say.
So it's to come to the queen level, it must have sucking off of the queen. Whether by disgrace or blood clot to get a hype, whether it good about her blood clot to get a hype, but something about her blood clot you have to talk because she is hit. So we have to get the blood clot because we want these hype. And so people are think, sister.
You know me, I said to myself, may I look at idea what I can do on the social media. Forget back at. You know, like when I have a song them out, so just do a look of, you know, something where, if, I don't know, I think, but I forgot to line up some police and make something go viral.
Have boil and get that stinkness there out of you because you have it for say the Indian woman put it on you when you take the woman, man. Bumbo clot, me a bill and receipt stuck on the woman. Me glad you come answer me because me a come for your blood clot now. You what you say? Yes, me like him energy. Him see there? Mono can read too, you know, so, and him love the kids them, and him spend time with them. Suck your mama Spice, me that do my job, and you know want boss me, so me take it from yourself. Go suck your mother. And she said, then me say,
Yeah, me see that. And me know that. And one of the most important part of it is, him really care, and him mean you good, and him also go want the marriage, and him go want the family, and your kids them are happy. So, it is what it is, you know. I'll be if you decided to. I want to tell you the truth. Anyway you buck your to and find this man, where is a good buck to, because, yeah man, and him, me tell you say me a problem.
I never tell a bitch to answer me. I never tell that black bitch to answer me. So she take pride and not even edit the fucking voice note good. So I come in with my receipt.
Conroy, but they say me a problem with the criminal one. This one, me not no problem with him. My soul, my spirit, my energy, and everything I work with, I give me a yes, yes. Let me tell you, I feel something in my belly, like a joy and happiness, and yeah, I feel like you're connected there.
People, when me da look the boss she never give me, and me go take the boss myself, right? Cool. She come out and she answer me why she never blood clot stay. And this is the girl craving. She give me the boss and she want to take it back. She give me the boss by me come out and talk and she come out for answer. You see she want to take it back and call me demon. Well, since me a demon, let me do what demon things do. Demon just do demon things. So right now, I am fucking demonable. That's what she say, you know. So let's me do the demon things them now. Because
negative are the slowness me I go say. To me, I'm slow for you, but you can't work with it. And if I should speak any other negative, it's just that when you get to understand, you will realize the tradition of where him come from and the tradition of you is a little different. So now I have two different.
the people them over here say clothes chasing. Oh, you never tell Spice. Why you tell me say clothes chasing? Spice not just style me a while ago. Obviously, Spice answer me because she feel away. And she said she nah tag and Ray because she don't want to give me the boss. If she did tag me, I feel better. But she not have to tag me, no, because me receipt them can tag myself.
Type of tradition. So once you can fit in from film tradition and your tradition, then that's the only thing would that be a problem. Because everything you have a problem. It's just that the tradition of how him view things and how him grow and how you view things and grow, that is only the buck-ups right now. But once you can fit in from film tradition and him fit in from your own, no good. Next thing, you need to cut off certain people again in this new energy. You need to keep your dancer and your friends them away from him. You need not to make your friends them be his friend. You need to separate your dancers and your people them from him. You need to. People are crosses, people have bad energy. You always say you pick the wrong people and them always fuck you up. But where this is concerned with your man, this is a homework. Don't make the past repeat itself. Keep every dancer and every female and everyone from around your man. Please.
But you have to say, ask, not ask. Ask. Yeah? Ask. Because you want to rhyme with jacks. Long till you bend down, you know, to ask. Yeah.
What device now? Long till the men girl, you know, feel.
DJ, yeah, DJ now. Flow. You have to wine now, so you have to give a character. Yeah.
Call. Lala call. Yes, you dirty blood clot, yo. You dirty blood clot, yo. Alright, what you say, Lal?
No, I say some allegations. So me a suck danger pussy. You understand what going on right there?
How way your woman says still, you know, she say yeah, suck danger pussy. But me want to know something now, Lal. Tell the people them when you meet when Spice, this is Spice baby father, aka Lal, where she throw under the bus. This man, Lal, by the way, you see the paper where you file for God. You say what you want to say before you talk here. You talk first.
Well, you talk. Me say you post a document, but my lawyer never serve no paperwork. I tell my lawyer no serve no paperwork, so I don't understand this.
Well, you need to call your lawyer right now and get your lawyer upon it because I have the paperwork. Now, watch this now, Lal. Did you know that the child that you have is not your child?
Dog, what kind of fuck you tell me, dog? You mean that my picnic? I must my picnic, Virgin?
Well,
you never know these things until you taught them something, right?
Well, obviously you need to file for DNA. Tell the people them how. Tell the people them how Spice introduced it to me.
Them, yo, she bring you around me as our cousin, brother.
Didn't I used to bring? No, one last thing before you go away. Didn't I used to bring grocery in at the house come get Spice when we have my shop? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Didn't when Spice know me, no my money and me force her to go clash ladies clash Macadam and a thing.
Brother, me know. Listen, when me see you on our link, yo, me don't know who you was in that. You come on as our family and that's what me meet as. You know what I mean? So, whatever money you would have spent, me never know, because you don't make me know them things. You understand me? That you and her, you get me?
But may I ask you a question, Lal? In front of the whole world, don't me and Spice stick and me do things for her. That's alone me I ask you.
I didn't hear what you said.
Alright, you hear Spice that say me not do nothing for her. I'm a wicked, I'm a demon. You know, when me know you. Alright, Spice, me try your hand about. You remember when Spice got fucked by you and she end up having to go put on the tattoo when time she got fuck the man and them have it, them leave?
Yeah, I remember all them things that I...
Remember go... Yo. Let me go again. Let me go. No, bumbo clap. You have to talk everything. Let me talk again. Don't Spice fuck by you and the video leak that time it was Twitter and with the sock wood and she run go put on the tattoo if go state that and never she.
Yo, dog, no go there, someone. Just low certain things, someone.
Well, me have a blood clot dog. Don't you and her and Stacy do the threesome and you go fuck Stacy behind her back?
Yo, little more, sin. Cause me not... They're point of something later.
Alright, say what you want to say to the people. Alright, say what you want to say to the people before you go away. What you want to say to the people?
Yo, I want some clarity upon that thing, yo, because me hear me name mix up on me and me and danger pussy and them things like that. Yo, listen, man. Yo, that be there. I fuck danger, of course. But then you pussy something that, no, it don't work.
Lal, the people them Spice.
Yo, look more.
Alright, you know, alright, one. Spice Gang go suck on the mother. Spice Gang go suck on the mother. You can't stop me. None down the call back. Go suck on the mother. The man say fuck danger, but he never suck your pussy. Go suck your mama, Spice. You can't empty me. Bumbleclot. You can't empty me. Go suck your mama Spice. Hello.
Hello.
Wagwan.
How you doing?
What you say?
What me I say is that spice more important to you than the crowd and the people them will respect you and care about you. Look, you're going there. That I mean, I think that's really relevant at this point.
All right, so may I ask you a question? So Spice must come and talk things when me clear my view. Me must keep my mouth.
No, but that now, where's that doing? What is that doing for you?
No, it have a shape. You know what? Fuck off with you, cause you don't make sense right now. Me don't want to hear your energy right now. This is a funeral service. I want to come for read blood clot program. That not make no sense. I'm gonna suck no more. Me not take no this from no girl. Bumbo clot. It is relevant. We're going to talk about the bath. We're going to talk about the clearance bath for Love and Hip Hop.
Yes,
tell the people about the bath for the clearance for Love and Hip Hop.
Yes, when we went down to Maryland, a whole bunch of us, a whole truckload of us drive down to Maryland.
And we have the videos. We have the videos.
Yes, we have the video and the pictures them with the roller we took together, and she was we had to hide from Maka Diamond because Maka was coming to the bathroom, and she even asked if the where's the bathroom, and we said right this and you boss up take off and go on a one car.
Me even have to hide from Maka Diamond because we never want Maka Diamond to see me coming to the hotel.
From Maka Diamond, and when they give her the bath, listen, girl, stop it. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Don't do it. Every time you're calling for something, don't do it, girl. But we used to cuss and you say anybody disrespect Spice, I gotta fuck up on a bumbo in here. You are the pick up fan. Nobody can disrespect her. Always when baby daddy at it, up on the couch there, when she call and cry. Same thing when what them name, what the people them name, where the company where she tie up with, where them have our tie up the recording company and
VP.
Alright, and she call it right from a coach the other day when she call and I ball about it. And you said when I fair help her, girl, stop it. You don't need for lie. You don't need for lie. She should have never come and call it. I never pick up never.
So listen, so alright, so you and 4 other people and my wife go down to Maryland, Maka Diamond.
Yeah.
Maka Diamond, but me in Maryland, you can't ask Maka Diamond.
Maka Diamond was there because it was a stage show she was going. It was a big stage show down in Maryland. That she was gonna perform on. She'll have on that gold suit. She'll have on one gold body suit.
So somebody I say he got proof still. They must say he might proof. Of course, but have me proof.
She had on the gold body suit and thing, the blue hair. Cause me have on a blue ear too. So stop it. Yes, so we have all of the pictures. We got all the pictures. We all took pictures. Even the picture in the wheelchair.
You know what problem? She didn't want to read the comment and she realized that me dominate all over this.
Thinking more. That's why when Sher them and Nikisha them used to done her, their mouth think her pussy stink. And I put them attack. Okay then.
So listen sis. Tell the people them that when Spice come and Spice was showing me where their surgery go wrong and I said I don't want to see the body and she said you turn me say make she tell her because I don't want to see the body, I never want to see it because look appropriate come what
exactly batch up self exactly yeah and she's like look and and drop it look come here brother and I know how much road run up in her, and how much tractor drive up in her. Spice go stuck your mother. You broke her hungry like everybody else.
But the baby father confirms that he used to get a grocery.
But is the truth. When she don't show them about she have this thing on her back, it not move no more. It not moving.
Listen, man.
Spice done for. We know this for 2018. Today we know this.
But me not understand. Texting milk me. Me not understand the people that.
Champagne. She love the champagne bag. She love the champagne bar. I talk about Obe, never Obe when you reach by.
But at the end of the day, let me show you how she... Me never mention nothing about Obe. I mean, I go own Obe thing. But now she come say Obe. Spice, you just kill your own blood clot self. Because me not do the Obe game. She just a try for you something now, for lick me. She say Obe.
You did say, you said it, after 2020, that's it for her. And 2020 I done, so she done too.
Of course, she must blood clot though. Listen though. Listen what I want the people them for know. You have the Spice gang them over here chat. One bag of blood clot.
Them can't say anything because them don't know. We know.
But listen now. What I want to say now.
We behind the scene.
Listen what I say now. The baby father just say, and my money help her with the clash with Maka Diamond. The baby father just say, and me she introduced as the cousin. The baby father just say, him fuck danger but he no suck no pussy. The baby father just confirmed so. Now I want to say something about the baby father. The only reason why the baby father couldn't do nothing and couldn't move is because of me.
Right.
Because me was cover for her. But now no more cover na there. You shall see when the baby father go for her. Oh so blood clot. And me cover her from the baby father go for her.
But I always say, because every time LALL will come and complain, because you were always the mediator between both of them.
Tell them what me do. Tell them so when Spice and LALL war, who in the middle? Tell them.
Are you always having go? Every minute you call you, and him call you, and you have to tell back and forth, but you always defending her. Nah, nobody disrespect her. Always you want to make people disrespect you. Spice go stuck out your mama. Enough is enough now. Enough is enough. I mean, I still remember when we had this time.
When nothing did a carry blood clot code for sure, who stopped that?
You. I actually them know your powers, but it's okay. Them guys see now. Yeah. She too bright. What did tell you?
She go for cartel for. Let me talk now. She go to the boss. She go to the boss, big up the general boss. She go to the boss, we go write song for the album and she come and tell me about how the boss now write no song for her and how she go to the boss and tell her, say, yo, dead boy, go suck on the mama. Nobody can kill me. None of you can kill me. Go suck on the mama. Listen to me. She go call the boss to write song for her. But I don't understand why the people them think me at me. That's my mind now. She call the boss to write song for her and she not hear nothing from the boss. She come and complain say, oh the boss no write no song for her and the boss she want the boss to write the song for the write a song for her album and she don't know why she can't get the song and the boss well bossy. Hold on, bossy, anyway you there, remember say she beg you write song for the album and she make me know as in she a try to say me if you look into it to see if you're going to write the song for you. Me no know, it just still a write the song. But bossy, me just a make you know say me have the girl file. No violation, me have the girl file. The girl are wicked.
She pass wicked. Can you ever pick up first why she wants to make people disrespect you? With a Spice broke and hungry like everybody else and no have no clothes. With a little fashion over clothes she ever pitch up. Like everybody else. Spice go stuck your mother. Ain't nobody Who you?
Hey, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. And closing. My receipt them is enough. For prove.
When I confused
my receipt is enough. All you can do is try to tell gunman I try to kill me. I try to shoot me. That's all you gonna try to do. That's all you gonna try to do. But them can't do nothing. But let me send out one message. The gunman bad man, that's what she call you. You know. Me have a reason for fear you because me know you're a danger.
Ugly cheese.
Hold on.
She's hungry like. She's gonna stop your mother.
Who that?
She not relevant. If I'm not over for chat.
Hello, we not boss people. Hello, we not bossing people. Me a boss myself. Hello, me busy a boss myself. Hello, me busy a boss myself. Hello. Leave. Hello. Listen, listen. I am busy bossing myself while you are boss other people, man. Stop share the bossing. Me busy a boss myself. Stop share the bossing. One at a time. One at a time with the bossing, man.
name.
Listen to me. Me not talk about Angel. Me not talk about Sherry yet. Me not talk about Nikisha yet.
Yes, when I used to say arm stink or pussy stink and mouth stink, that's why they make
Me not talk about certain things yet. But I will leave them there. One thing me I say to you right now. My receipt is good enough.
Boss, we are your witnesses.
Hold on, don't say me answer the call. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
RT.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, good night.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me there, me here to the whole spice and situation.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with you 100%. Even the Bible says, what is due unto Caesar, you give it unto Caesar. Your blood clot.
Of course.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, probably the what she did, that's the least she could do. Pick you up and give her respect, because if you never help her, she would do what she did.
Mm-hmm. That's true. But you see, the thing is, let me tell you what Spice problem, what the people them feel for realize. You see, Spice never like the fact that I come out, come talk her business, but me never have no other option because me have to make people know me. Me I read people, and she I get all of the advice, she I get all of the help. She don't want nobody else to get it. She don't want nobody else to get it. She don't want nobody know about me. She don't want nobody in a dancehall to come to me. That is her problem. So the end of the day is me take the bus for myself, but me never take the bus for bring her down. All of them you suck me and me never come out with it. All of them could suck me with me and talk now is the fact that, you know, who that? My God. Wifey, I tell me to stop. Wifey not like it, so me have to listen to wifey. What?